Yan guys, so 11 p.m. na right now and good news, somebody just sent me a message through Viber and thank you bro to my friend. Last Sunday kasama ko rin siya actually and in-invite niya ako kasi meron silang mga properties around the Metro Manila and may mga bakanting spaces. And actually, meron din siyang other group of friends that were interested na sabi nga, Joseph, o interesado yung mga friends ko to enter into laundry business and they want to be my partner. And the thing that I can bring to the table is meron ako mga locations na potentially na pwedeng paglagyan ng laundry shop business sila. So I agreed to my friend who invited me. So last Sunday we went around and sabi ko, one good thing that I noticed is malaki yung space mo. Perfect yan sa venture na gusto nilang i-put up the type of laundry business. So they're going into a self-service type of laundry business. And when we look at the area, meron naman mga existing laundry business. So if we went around the perimeter pa lang, every corner, every side of the perimeter, meron na talagang existing laundry shop. So we check it out, tinignan namin yung mga presyo, what kind of laundry business, self-service ba siya, commercial, or full service, and etc. So nakita na namin, nagkaroon kami ng idea and also magkano yung pricing nila. So, very important. Medyo mababa actually. Yung pricing sa area, assumption there is kasi maraming players within a small area. But, sabi ko nga, friend, ganito na lang, no? So, isipin mo, that's a good sign. There's also a bad sign. Bad sign dyan is marami ng players right away, di ba? Existing yan. So, for sure, meron na silang contacts sa mga customers. In the same time, good sign yan kasi ibig sabihin, they're existing, they're running, they're still operating even if we're still in the pandemic. Ibig sabihin, may market talaga sa area niyan. May paying customers sa area niyan. So if you guys, you and your partner, your group of friends are really serious, sabi ko ito lang ma-offer ko sa inyo since may market and I think the market's quite big. Uh, you just have to really differentiate yourself from the other existing players. Paano, di ba? Uh, tingnan mo yung business hours nila. If you can operate longer, then you can accept more customers. And then another differentiator is if you can process the laundry even faster, what the other laundry shops offer to their clients. So that's another possibility. Kasi napansin ko sa kanila, if they would put it up, sa kanila yung magiging pinakamalaking store. The bigger store, the more space that they can use up and put machines. More machines that you have, faster processing time you can do. Diba? So, mas mabilis mong mabibigay ng malinis na yung damit ng customer. And I think perfect yun sa area nila. Why? Kasi yung area nila, ang dami talaga guys. Sobrang daming hotel. Iba-ibang, gusto mo yung maliit na hotel, gusto mo yung malaking hotel, gusto mo yung tamang size na hotel, merong lumang hotel, merong medyo matanda na, meron ding bago pang hotel at meron pang mga condominiums na hindi pa natatayo in the process of construction pala. So sabi ko, this market will continue to grow kasi nga yung area is development is tuloy-tuloy. So for sure may market talaga if they really serious. Yun. So those were the things that I was able to offer my friend. And sad to say lang talaga is yung location naman, even if malaki, is located on the second floor, and the building was designed to only accept mga office spaces. What do I mean? Kasi second floor nga, pwede naman, pero titibagin mo yung bato. Hindi kasya yung machines that they want to put up, even the regular ones. Maliit yung entry kasi nga for office space talaga naka-design yung mga units. Malaki yung unit, nila talaga. Yung door entry, hindi siya fit for yung mga machines that they would like. So, yun lang. I think meron pa namang other opportunities. May iba pang locations. So, I'm just glad, I'm happy that I was able to share some inputs, insights lang naman from my experience, And hindi naman yan yung pinaka, o dapat di ka magtuloy dyan, di ba? Dapat tingnan mo pa rin naman. Kasi that's the best way to test the market is to put yourself out there in the market. Kung wala talaga, wala. Pero if you tried, malay mo, 'di ba? Mag-click ka talaga kasi kahit marami yan, hindi man natin alam yung situation ng mga ibang players. Baka hindi pala talaga sila kumikita. They just want to continue to run their businesses. So, possibility yun.